friends, we are the students of Biomedical Department from Bannari Institute of Technology. Now we are going to demonstrate a project on laser light security alarm. The principle of laser light security alarm is, it works by utilizing buzzer, LDR, light dependent resistance, which sends the light, resistor, it is 10 ohm resistance, Arduino board UNO, breadboard, and connecting wires male to male. It works. The principle of laser light security alarm is it works by utilizing infrared connections. Now the one end of the 10 ohm resistor is connected to the LDR and other end is connected to the ground. Then the other end of the LDR is connected to the positive. The positive pin of the buzzer is connected to the 9th pin of the Arduino and the negative pin is connected to the ground. The ground of the Arduino is connected to the ground of the breadboard. The 5 volt of the Arduino is given to the breadboard. The advantages of laser light security alarm. The first is the circuit construction and setup for laser security system is very simple. The second is if used with a battery, the laser security system can work even when there is a power outage. The applications of laser light security alarm are it can be used in safety lockers in our homes where even if the locker's code is hacked, it acts as an additional layer of security. The second is apart from security alarms, this laser based setup can also be used to check if pets or babies crossed a certain boundary. Finally, this project was demonstrated by the students are Ashwini, Ashwantini, Divya Prabha, Dakshayani, Darshini.